Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel once again. Today I have a video about typical male Kikuyu names. We are going to go through those names, and on top of that we are going to learn about the meanings of these typical Kikuyu male names, and that is what I have for you in this video. Take your cup of coffee, take your cup of tea, make yourself comfortable, and let's go through the names. The first name we have in the Kikuyu language is Geshere. Geshere means a hard piece of something, like for example a hard piece of wood or even a hard piece of pot. Again, we have Gashohe. Gashohe means a small ring or an earring or a pair of earring. Now we again have Gadua. Gadua means one who limps. Then we have Gaduri. Gaduri means an old man. The other name we're going to learn today is Gatimo. Gatimo means a spear. Again, the other name we have is Geshohi. Geshohi means the big bear. This was probably first given to a person who made a lot of beer or a person who drank a lot of beer. Geshohi. Now we have Geshohe. Geshohe means a wedding ring. We have Geduri. Geduri. No, sorry. We have Geshoro. Geshoro means a big porridge. Then we have Gekonyo. Gekonyo means a big belly button. This is a very funny name. I don't wanna be named after Gekonyo anyway, but anyway, yeah, it is how it is. Now, sorry. The other name we have is Getahi. Getahi means the big one who collects liquid, like water or beer. We have Gedaiga. Gedaiga means big medicine or herbs. We have Gevenji. Gevenji means the slaughterer, one who slaughters cows or even goats. We have Getonga. Getonga means the rich one. Now, the other name we have is Getuma. No, Getoma. Getoma. Getoma means the big arrowroot. This comes from the word Ndoma, which is a Kikuyu food called arrowroot in English. Just Google it outside there and you will get it. It's very typical in the Kikuyu tribe. Now, the next name we have for today is Goko. Goko means the small hand. A small hand, maybe from a baby, a small baby who has just come to the world has a Goko, not Goko. He or she has Goko, small, which means Goko, small hand. The other name we have is Hinga. Higa means the hypocrite, also given to a person who could speak more than one language. Now, the next name we learn today is Kahara. Kahara. Kahara is a bald head called Kehara. Kehara is a diminutive word. Mostly in the Kikuyu language, when something is called ke something, it means diminutive. It's like being small. So ka is like big. So this is why it's called Kahara. Now, the next name we have is Cairo, which means the small black one. Cairo. Like I said, Ka is always something big, and K is diminutive, really small, trying to be smaller. Now we are going to go ahead, and the list is really long. The next name we have is Kemodo. Kemodo meaning the small, meaning the left hand. The next name is Karemi. Karemi meaning a small farmer. This comes from the word korema, which means to dig or to farm. The next name is karaoke. It was given to the next child after a child died soon after birth in a family. So karaoke comes from morioki, which is like giving another one. So it was given to, like I said before. Now, the other name we have is Kenyatta. Kenyatta meaning the first president of the Republic of Kenya. Normally, these were nicknames, and his real names, the first president of the Republic of Kenya was known as Jomo Kenyatta. But like I said, those were nicknames. His real names were Johnston Kamau wa Muigai. Johnston Kamau wa Muigai. Now, the next name we learn today is Kefake. Kefake means the big tobacco leaf, which also comes from the third president of Kenya, who was called Mwai Kibaki. Mwai Kibaki, for those English speakers or the Kiswahili speakers. Mwai Kibaki. Now, the other word we learn today is Kemodo, which means the left-handed one. The next word or the next name we learn is Kemunya. Kemunya meaning the one who uproots plants. Now, we also have Kenyua. Kenyua meaning one who drinks. We also have Kioi. Kioi meaning one who lifts. This comes from kuoya. Kuoya means to lift something. So that's having the name Kioi. Now, we also have a name known as Kyogo. Kyogo meaning the head. The next name we have is Kerema. Kerema meaning the mountain. Now, the other name we have is Masharia. Masharia meaning one who looks after or one who searches. Masharia. This also comes from the name Gosharia, which means searching for something or looking after something. Now, when you are looking for a bride, they say Gosharia Motumia. Gosharia Moduri. Now, the other name we have is Maina, derived from singing or dancing, also known as koina. Koina is dancing or singing in Kikuyu. I'm going to end this video right here. There is a lot to learn. There are so many names. I'm going to continue in the next video, and I hope we see us next time. Keep tuned in and see you.